All right, guys. Buddy Dean just said, hey, Lowe's had their stuff out, so gonna go check it out, see what we got inside, see if they got that big 12-foot mummy. Come with me. Lowe's has Halloween out all day. You guys beat the Home Depot this year. Well, at least in this area. Man, that's a really big skeleton. That's a 7-foot tall skeleton. Holy smokes, that's huge. $100. I see a skull underneath there. It probably lights up so you can see it, but it's not plugged up yet. Really cool. There's the mummy. We got a bunch of them.
Sit back and learn from the master. It ain't the size that counts, it's what you do with
Toggle switch for steady or slow.
Scared you, didn't I? little kitty. How about some trick and treat? Go ahead, run away. I'll just catch up with you later in your nightmare.
All right, guys. So went in, checked it out. You know, I'm not super impressed with the 12-foot mummy. I'm really not. Like, the only actual skeleton part is the hands and the head. All the rest is just the framing covered in cloth. For $3.49 or whatever it was, man, I don't know. I mean, I know it's animated and it lights up, so it is cool. Don't get me wrong. Just, I don't know. It just doesn't make me as excited as when the skeleton came out. I don't know. They had a bunch of horror stuff, which is crazy because Lowe's typically doesn't have that kind of stuff. They had, like, I was really surprised they had like Nightmare on Elm Street and Jason and Freddy. Completely like, what? And then every place seems to have Haunted Mansion stuff this year. Spirit has it, and now Lowe's has it. Haven't seen the Home Depot stuff yet. But okay. Nothing in there that I was like, I gotta have it. Although I might want one of those 7-foot skeletons. But for $100, I feel it's a little on the high side. They were real super thick and super heavy. But I don't know if I want to spend $100 on one. So I think Home Depot last year, those pumpkin head skeletons are pretty dang tall. And they were like $69, $79. So I know everything's higher this year, but maybe that's the way it is. But all right, hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to click that like button and subscribe. I never say this, so I'm gonna maybe start a new habit of asking you guys to please support the channel. I really, really appreciate it. Hit that bell icon so you're notified when you get new videos come out. And let's get into creepy Halloween season. You guys know what to do? Get your haunt on.